Hello, this video is for 817 Floresta Street. Here's the front of the house. You've got the 3-car garage. Exterior paint looks fantastic. A lot of ample parking in the driveway as well. It is an HOA community and everybody's lawn is extremely well maintained. Everything's very quiet. Okay. This house was built in 2016. Got a large porch here. Stepping in, you've got a large dining room. Contemporary feel. You've got a den on the right side of the door. Quite an open floor plan. You've got 2 hallways that lead either through the kitchen or down into the living room here. You've got a gas range. Looks like the stainless steel appliances are newer. Corner pantry, so it gives you a little bit of extra room there. Large living room, lots of natural light in here because of the large sliders that you've got over there. We're going to do the left side of the house first. So we'll go to the back bathroom here. Large walk-in shower. You've got an exit to outdoors from the bathroom here. Nice, very modern fan in this room. This is a queen size bed to give you an idea of the size of this room. Corner walk-in closet. And to the left, the carpet is in really good shape. Looks like it's just been cleaned. You got a family room in here. Once again, lots of natural light. You got another exit outside here. What's nice is I don't know if you'd be into building a pool or anything, but because you have that bathroom that also connects outside, you could do that as a pool bathroom eventually, if that was something you were interested in. Otherwise, it's just great for the kids to be able to run in and out. Okay, coming back up towards the kitchen. There's the front door for reference. We're going to go to our right. The hallways do not connect. Okay, so we've got your washer and dryer hookups in here. Looks like you've got quite a bit of storage space across. Oh, no, sorry. Looks like it's the HVAC in here. You do have the extra shelving above the washer and dryer here, though. Electrical box or cable box. It looks like actually that's the alarm. Okay. You got a lot of extra shelving in the garage here. There's your electrical box. Your water heater back there, that looks newer. Can't really get back there to open the electrical box, but we do know it's 2016, so I'm sure it's in good shape. Okay, across from the garage, you've got bathroom number 2. Everything's very clean, very good shape. All right, here's bedroom number 2. This one would comfortably fit about a queen size bed. You could do a king, but it'd be a little bit tight. You've got another corner closet here. Okay, bedroom number 3. This one is just a little bit smaller, so probably about a full-size bed. Possibly a queen. Can't get into the closet here. All right, so now let's head over. The master must be over on this side. That is the extra hallway that comes straight down from the front door into your living room. All right, now to our right is going to be the master bath. Got double vanities, very large walk-in shower as well as tub. Toilet closet, linen closet right next to the large bath. Very large master closet. You got 2 entrances, which is awesome, so you can just, you know, come right out of the shower and get ready, or come in through the bedroom. And through, this would be the entrance, the other entrance into the closet here. Lots and lots of room. Very large master as well. That is a king size bed. Okay, another exit to go outside. Large covered porch. Fully vinyl fenced yard. Oh, I spoke too soon. Let me look over here, see if that side's. You might need to fence one side if you want to. Let's take a look. Yep, so it looks like it's fenced on 3 two sides. So you just have to fence in the one other side coming up right over here between you and the other house. Quite a lot of room in the backyard as well. The home is in really, really good condition. Let's come back through, do one more look real quick. Living room. The large curtains are a really nice touch too. So this is a pool community as well. And the split floor plan, really, you can have the kids over in one section, kind of have your privacy on that section, which is fantastic as well. But all right, I'm going to go take a video of the other house down the street.